How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guide studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can lock and unlock the keyboard on your Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so first thing first, now to lock your physical keyboard on your PC or laptop, all you have to do, you just need to click on this shift key from the keyboard, not this shift key. You just need to click on this shift key and you just need to press and hold for 8 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and press and hold the shift key for 8 seconds. And here you get a long beep sound and you'll get to see this notification. You just need to click on yes, and now your physical keyboard has been locked. If I type this one, he'll get to see it's now working. If I come right over here, and he'll get to see it's now working. And now to unlock, you just need to do the same thing. You just need to come to this shift key and you just need to click the shift key for the keyboard for 8 seconds. So I'm going to press and hold this shift key for 8 seconds. And again, you will hear a long beep sound and the keyboard will be unlocked. Now, if I type this one, you'll get to see it's worked perfectly. And this is how you actually can lock and unlock the keyboard in Windows 11 or 10 PC or laptop. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.